Celebrate Paryushan 2025 with Simple Jain food. Explore sattvic recipes, fasting dishes, and a wholesome menu list to keep your meals pure and mindful. Apart from fasting and introspection, Paryushan is a time for culinary customs that are consistent with Jain principles. This holy celebration, which will take place in 2025 from August 21st to August 28th, offers a chance to savor healthy, straightforward meals that uphold the values of mindfulness, purity, and nonviolence. Every dish served during Paryushan, whether you're feasting or fasting, is made with love and care and reflects the Jain values of compassion and kindness. If you are looking for inspiration to craft a Paryushan menu, or if you're just curious about Jain cuisine, here's a guide to some of the best dishes to try, from fasting-friendly options to hearty meals for when the feast begins. Also read Paryushan 2025 date, significance, rituals, food and recipes. So this Paryushan, explore these recipes, embrace the spiritual practice of fasting, and enjoy the wholesome foods that accompany this sacred